Okay, these two values are added, that is called join two tuples. In the previous class I have covered. After that, multiply values of tuple, okay, by star operator. Okay, now here tuple print tuple 1, these two values multiple 3 times, so you will get values was 10 one time, 2 time, 3 times. Okay, that is okay. Next, one more time, that is what print tup2. What is these two values? 5 times. You will get the and okay, you will get what 5 times. Okay, 1 time, 2 time, 5 times. So next is what tuple methods. So I was discussing tuple methods. So print type tup1. Print type tup1 is what now? Tup1 is what? A tuple. Okay, if you use that, it is a tuple. So now you want to know the methods. Simply you tup1. Okay, tup means it is a variable. Whenever you keep dot operator, you will get only two methods. So here we will use count method, bracket. So in the bracket we need to say in any tuple, any value, how many time it occurs. Okay, 20. Suppose if you want to know tup1, how many times tup1, this 10, how many times it occurs. So if you pass 10, so now you keep simply in front of this, you want to get it print. Okay, print. Now close this one with now how many times? Only one time. You will get the answer as 1. Why? Because this 10, it is in tup1 only one time is there. So one more 10 is that you will get here 2, because 10 is occurring 2 times. You will get 2 times occurring. So one more time, 110. If you give 10, means this count method used to know that this value how many times it is occurring repeatedly. So now if you run this one 3 times, so means that count method used in tuples to know, find out that how many times any value occurring. So if you change this, simply if you write that string will be, as I told you, that Vasu. There is no Vasu, because here capital letters are. As per that, you need to pass capital letters here. Okay, now how many times was is here? Only one time. So you will get what? 1. Understood that? See whether if I keep white space here, what happened? Let us see. Because here no any white space I have kept here. So whether 0 times. Why? Because here there is difference. There is different to count. This is was with the white space. There is difference for this string and this string. Understand? So that's why Python interpreter understood that it tries to count, it tries to match with the value, but there is no any match. Here white space is there, here no. So that's why there is a difference. So it feels that there is no any was. So that's why it gives what? 0. If you remove this white space, now if you run, you will get 1 time. Okay. So if you write one more time here, one more time, that is was again. So it gives 2 times. Understood that? Okay. So now next method is that index method. Index method is used to know that is what tup1 dot index. Okay, simply whenever you keep that dot operator, you will get this index method. Click on this. Now after that, in bracket, pass the index of 0. Means at the 0 index, whatever the value at tup1 is, it is a tup1 is a variable which is holding multiple values. So at 0 index is what? This is the 0 index, 1 index, 2, 3, 4. At 0 index, whatever the value is, that will be displayed by index method. Value error. So tuple index x is not in tuple. In which line? 104 line. So you go for 104. Here tup1 dot index. Okay, tup1 dot 0 index. Okay, so here actually what is the meaning of this? Why it is giving value error? Tup1 is x not in tuple. So means what? Tuple is not indexed. Okay, Okay, we need to do that. Okay, so why? Because now here we need to use print. Okay, print bracket. Now that is what you do like this. Now you want to know, you want to get the printout of index of 0 position, whatever the value in top 1. Where is our top 1? This is, so we need to get this answer. So let us come here. So we are getting what? Value error. So here normally what happened here, sometimes what happen, okay, this is okay, int is where? Here int is what? Int. Okay, int is a variable here. Where is that? My int. Okay. Okay. So little bit of this index method is not working out here, because normally what happened, try to understand, whenever I have briefed that you, that moment tuples are not indexed. Okay, so by this tuples, let me, so means actually this index method is being not worked out simply. Okay, so actually this is the syntax. We need to, I want to get a printout by where in tuple 1 by index method 0 at this index, whatever the value I want to know that. So it is not being done, so leave it there. Okay, so no issue. So now we will, I want to shift to where sets. Now next topic is what? Sets. So comment here sets. Yes, another data collection framework I want to brief now. Okay, as I told you that sets are what? Sets also sets part of collection frameworks. They are called collection arrays. Many names are there. Collection arrays, collection data structures, many, all of them equal. Collection built-in data structures, built-in data structures. Okay, built-in data structures. So now set is what? How can, suppose take any x is a variable, take a variable, always set will be represented in flower braces. Now you keep any values 10, 20, 10.8, 1 boolean value and 4j complex. So what, two integers we have stored, 1 float, 1 true, boolean value, 1 complex number. Now this is what? It is a set. How do you know that? Whenever you keep all the values in flower braces. Now if you want to know that, simply use print function, print type function. Use here type function will be used to know that which type of data type it is. So if you run this, now it is called set. Okay, why? You have kept flower braces. If you change these flower braces to square brackets, simply these values, now you can, this value list, collection list, now this these values under a list, you can get a list here. Understand that? So that is the difference. If you change brackets here, so it will become what? It will become what? It will become a tuple. It will become a tuple. Understand that? Even though if you remove that brackets, still it is a tuple. Still it is a tuple. So as per our definition, we want to know the sets. So that's why these values to be compulsory under, kept under. Okay. Now it becomes what? Set. So sets, how to define? Sets are, you define that set